Okay, so in this episode, the long, arduous process of cleaning the frame. So far, got the front horns cleaned off. Starting to get all the grease off the front rails, down the front, and work our way across. Stay tuned for more. So in today's episode, finally get the frame ready for primer and paint. We've been spending hours and hours and hours grinding, wire wheeling. Here's where we're at, getting it ready to lay primer. This right here was a lifesaver. Without this, oh my god, doing it with just grinders is ridiculous. Here's a look at the frame. I've used Rattle Can primer because unfortunately I didn't have any black primer like I thought I did. So I am ordering it in. It should be here Amazon 2 days. So then I can start spraying this. I'll show you my neat little stands I created out of 2x4s. Very professional. But it will allow me to coat the entire frame, the top and the bottom, with no issues. There we go. I finally got everything primered. Let me show you the frame. There's the frame. It's completely primered. Next step is putting flat black on it. Let's see if I can get another view from underneath. Yep. Now just for it to dry with the primer, and next the single stage flat black. So here is the primer I was using. It's a Hot Rod Black acrylic lacquer, and I'm going to show you what I'm using over here. You'll see Hot Rod Black matte finish. This is what I'm going to use to paint the frame. It's a single stage urethane. It's not the most high end, but for something on a budget, works great. I got all this from Auto Body Tool Mart, and I'll leave the link in the description so you all can see where I got it all. Okay, so I officially have got everything painted. Here's how the control arms came out, and here's how the frame came out. This is single stage flat black. And it doesn't look much different than the primer, but believe me, you can tell when you're spraying it. Let's quickly do a walk around. G-body frame. Here's what it looks like. In the next video, it's either going to be finishing the underside of the body or assembling this frame. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.